The overlooked impact of windows. Many Colombia homeowners think about windows mainly when they notice a draft or see visible damage. However, the way your windows are installed has a bigger influence than you might imagine. Proper installation is about more than fitting glass into a frame. It's about sealing, alignment, insulation, and ensuring the window works as part of your home's energy system. Done right, it boosts both comfort and property value. Done wrong, it can lead to costly issues and diminished appeal. Boosting home value through professional installation. When you decide to invest in new windows, the quality of installation is as important as the window brand or material you choose. In Colombia's competitive housing market, potential buyers pay close attention to details that suggest a well-maintained home. Professionally installed windows offer enhanced curb appeal. Even if buyers can't spot the difference in installation technique, they can see straight lines, flush fits, and well-sealed edges that look clean and intentional. Better energy ratings. Many appraisers and buyers consider energy efficiency a value booster. A poor installation can make high-performance windows function like old, leaky ones. Fewer future repairs. Skilled installation prevents moisture intrusion, frame warping, and air leaks, which means fewer headaches for you or future owners. Simply put, properly installed windows can raise your home's market appeal and appraisal value, helping you recover more of your investment when it's time to sell. Comfort you can feel every day. In Colombia, the climate brings both humid summers and chilly winters. Proper window installation helps you maintain a stable indoor temperature without overworking your heating and cooling systems. When windows are installed with the right sealing techniques and insulation, they block drafts and hot spots. Even tiny gaps can let in cold winter air or summer heat. Reduce noise. Proper fitting minimizes outdoor noise intrusion, making your home a quieter, more relaxing space. Improve natural light. Correct alignment ensures windows open and close smoothly, letting you control ventilation and sunlight more effectively. The comfort benefits are not just about luxury, they directly affect your energy bills and your family's daily living experience. Energy efficiency and lower utility bills. One of the most practical reasons for proper window installation is energy savings. Even the most energy-efficient windows will underperform if they're not installed correctly. In Colombia's mixed climate, where both cooling and heating costs matter, improper installation can cause energy loss through gaps or poor sealing and condensation issues that can damage frames and walls. Increased strain on HVAC systems, leading to higher maintenance costs. With professional installation, your windows can achieve their intended efficiency ratings, helping to lower monthly utility bills and reduce your carbon footprint. Avoiding common installation mistakes. DIY or low-cost, unprofessional window installation often leads to recurring problems, such as uneven frames causing difficulty in opening, closing, water leaks leading to mold and structural damage, misaligned locks compromising security, poor insulation causing draft. Hiring an experienced installer ensures that measurements are precise, flashing is applied correctly, and every window is tested for smooth operation before completion. The Columbia Advantage. Choosing local expertise. Window installation is not one size fits all. Local climate and building styles matter. Columbia-based professionals understand the area's specific weather patterns, construction codes, and architectural preferences. This local knowledge ensures installations are both functional and in harmony with your home's style. Final thoughts. Proper window installation in Columbia is more than a finishing touch. It's a crucial investment in your home's value, comfort, and efficiency. By choosing skilled, experienced professionals, you protect your home from avoidable damage, enhance its market appeal, and create a more comfortable living environment year-round. The right installation ensures your windows perform as beautifully as they look, giving you peace of mind and a solid return on investment.